The typing sound. A man was trying to sleep when he heard typing from his desk. Soft, slow, click, click, click. He opened his eyes. His laptop was closed. The typing stopped instantly. He sat up, staring into the darkness. Silence. Then, click, click, click. Again, this time faster. He slowly walked toward the desk. Hands shaking. Opened the laptop. The screen turned on by itself. A blank document was open. Words were appearing live. You woke up too early. His breath caught. He stepped back. More typing. Faster now. Go back to sleep. The man unplugged the laptop. The screen stayed on. Then one final sentence appeared. I'm not finished using your face yet. At that exact moment, his phone unlocked by itself. Front camera activated. And on the screen, someone who looked exactly like him was smiling back. Moral: the most terrifying things aren't the ones pretending to be human, but the ones